Good afternoon and welcome to Hanford, California, home to Faraday Future's assembly plant. Today I am excited to provide an update on the team's progress. In addition to having 80% of the process equipment in the factory, we have also begun milestone number 5, starting the installation of mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems necessary to support our equipment installation. Additionally, we are making significant progress on construction across the plant and beginning large equipment installation for certain areas of the production line.
Hello, my name is Kiyomas Mahmouzadeh. I'm working in Faraday Future as a senior manufacturing engineer in body. I'm responsible of many projects at site to ensure they are following a schedule and also following all of our requirements and help them to fix the issues. In this site, we make the full body, and after that send to the next shop. The next shop will also install equipment to add the doors, hood, lift gate, and fenders. And after that, sent to the paint shop. Behind of you, we have a big warehouse and more than 95% unpacked and ready to bring in this site to install. As you can see around, the big team are working behind me. They are marking on the floor and also drilling to install base plates to anchor. It's a huge project. We are working as a team. Everybody help each other to solve the challenges and issue. And in the future, when I see somebody are driving with this car, I'm proud that I was part of the team member.
While factory construction continues to move forward, the production team has begun to work on additional production intent vehicles. We currently have 4 vehicles that are work in process, and these vehicles will be used for testing and validation. As the team produces more production intent vehicles, we expect to make FF91 models available for public viewing in the near future. Faraday Future is committed to creating a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility that will incorporate automated production processes and skilled craftsmanship to compete with top luxury automakers. Our asset-light manufacturing model with a lease plant producing the FF91 in Hanford, California, and a contract manufacturing agreement in South Korea for the FF81 is highly capital efficient and a key to our growth.